So, well, that's a nice enough spot here. So hello adventurers, and welcome to the club. Today I want to show you that you can do bikepacking on a budget. Or even without any budget. Yeah, that's why I've chosen this standardized old bike cycle. Because the only thing you really need is a bike cycle with a luggage rack to go bikepacking. Now let me show you how we can set this up for you to go on the adventure of your lifetime or just have fun over a weekend. Usually, the biggest struggle is to get all those needed supplies on the bike, but saddlebags are expensive, and so we take a simple pair of spare pants. For this video we need a bit more space, and therefore we work down on the floor. Easy, isn't it? I hope it is. We need 2 pieces of string and some pants, which you probably carry anyhow as a spare. Then you put your hand inside the pants and grab it and jerk on it to turn them inside out, obviously. Then you just puff it together like this, wrap the string around it once and twice and 3 times or 4 times, whatever feels comfortable to you, and then I make a simple knot to tie it firmly around each other, and make another double knot to hold it all together permanently. One on top of it for extra security, and it should look like this. And we'll repeat the same thing on the second leg. Yeah, this is how it should look like when you're finished. Next step, you put your hands back in the pants, grab it and pull it out. Yeah, many times we put our hands into the pants this time. Same thing on the other side. Put your hand in there, grab it, pull it out. Shake, and it looks like this. Yeah, how does this work now? Pretty simple, but I'll show you outside. Put heavy items first. 1 or 2, 1.5 or 2 liter water bottles into the legs, and there is plenty of space left for some canned goods like tin cans of food. Simply string it over once and put it on the luggage rack. Just like this. Then you take your standard backpack and put it on the rack as well. Taking the straps, pulling them to the luggage rack and pulling it down like this. Now you have all the cargo carrying capacity you need. And if it bothers you that they are a bit flopping around here, you can take another string and just tie them on here to the support beams of the luggage rack, which I don't do because it doesn't bother me, especially for short trips. And having a kickstand is a bonus that makes your life just so much easier, because see, it's standing by its own, not falling over. The front part here is reserved for your bedroll or tent. You just put the roll in here and put it down with 2 strings or better bungee cords. But we don't waste space here, because we still could fit another backpack just by putting it on here, like this. And put the bungee cord to the end. And just tie it down to the tube and hook it in to the frame like this. Stretchy, stretchy, stretchy. There we go. Now we have another bag hanging direct between our legs. It can be a bit tight, but as you can see, it still works. Yeah, maximizing the space we have is the game here. You can obviously just take the backpack, hang it the other way around and hang it on here so it hangs in front if you don't have a bedroll. Then it looks more like this, which still gives you access to some parts of the backpack, which is very practical. But be careful how you string it, because it could interfere a bit with your steering. But the way I've done it is it actually levels the steering wheel automatically if you lift it. So, I hope you've enjoyed my little adventure on a budget guide here. Never let money stop you from living your dreams and having fun, being out there, enjoying nature, and living a life you want to live it. That was a long one. Yeah. Another advice, never forget your camera out in the woods. You don't like rain.